What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with a special item for you today and myself. It is this right here that you see, the LG XBOOM. So just a little story behind this purchase here. Decided to finally switch up the stereo systems. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I have two videos up that are very popular, two of my most popular videos, top 20 for sure, of the Ion Total PA stereo system. That's technically a karaoke machine with a mic as well and a tripod. Big old 500-watt stereo system. Had it for a little over 2 years, I think it was. Love that stereo system. Like I said, two of my most popular videos are from that system. So I've had it, made videos, enjoyed it, decided to switch it up. You know, I wanted something that was an actual stereo versus the total PA. Love the PA, don't get me wrong, but sold it. They're normally 200 bucks at Sam's plus tax. Sold it for $150, so I'm fine with that. And picked this bad boy up for $196 plus tax, so the other one helped pay for this one. So here we go. We have your remote. Bam! Nothing special. This one actually has a CD player too. And without further ado, let's get in here. So I'm thinking this right here is a subwoofer. Let's see. It's got some decent, oh no, this is the actual receiver, the stereo itself. So let's open this up. Let's see what we got. I'm excited about it. There it is. All right. It's Bluetooth. Set this over here. This is actual Bluetooth. You have a CD player right there, disc player. You have two USBs. It's 700 watts, so 700 RMS. So a subwoofer and three speakers are, you know, sharing that 700 watts, so two something a piece. But that's fine. I'm guessing this is the subwoofer. This is the heaviest. And then the two speakers are over there. So let's open this bad boy up. Let's make sure we're in the frame here. And we are completely in the frame. Here we go. Set that to the side, pluck it and file it. And here it is. Like I said, this speaker actually has some decent weight to it. Here it is. Bam. Look at that. This is the subwoofer. This one actually takes its own little plug at the back. The other ones, the wires just go in there. So there's that. The sub, and let's open up the speakers now. I used to have one of these stereos back when I had an apartment back in the day. And when I moved, I just gave it away. It was I forgot the name of it. It wasn't as big or powerful as this one, but it sounded really good. We have some other stuff. Oh, it came with the batteries. Good. The batteries and an antenna, it looks like. Yep, speakers. Yes, yes. Speakers are lighter than the sub, of course. But they look good. They do look good. See, at the back here, you just have the wires that plug into the stereo system. And you can see the red part around. It ain't as thick as this here, because they won't be hitting as hard as the subwoofer itself. All right, let's go ahead and open this one up. This is an unboxing and a test. So we're gonna set this bad boy up and test it out too. So there you have it. There it is. Right back here behind the screen. It doesn't need to be up front and center or anything like that. One right there. And this is going to go right here. So we'll put this right down here. All right, so let's turn this bad boy around. So that is going to go in its independent slot right there. Snaps right in, easy peasy. We'll do the same to the other side. Guess I should have zoomed in a little while ago, but we still have another speaker to hook up. And black is going to go into the negative. There we go. So there you have it. All right, let's see. There we go. So let's just put it on anything right now. All right, since I'm on my phone, we're not using Bluetooth, I'm just going to pop a CD in to test it. And I'm not going to play anything loud for copyright reasons, so I can't really give you a true test on the speaker, but I just turned it up. Just had it on the regular radio and it sounds great. And that's just the radio. CD's not going to sound as good as Bluetooth, but yeah. So here's some classic CDs. We've got mixes, got the Marilyn Manson, we got the DJ Squeaky, Fear Factory, Alice in Chains. So let's just throw something in there. Let's get that remote and open it up. Boom. Again, we're not going to turn it up and jam it and test it that way for you. There's other YouTube videos for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and peel off this film. It works just fine. It looks nice. Look at that. Looks smooth and sharp. And last but not least, the bad boy. What's that water bottle doing down there? Look at that, just looks nice. Yeah, can't wait to enjoy this bad boy. Got lots of CDs to jam. Lots of Bluetooth to bass. See if I can get that subwoofer in there. Let's pull it forward.